records evidence during accidents, enhances security, and protects against false claims. Today's video is about top 5 best car dashcam that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Iiwey Car Dashcam, the Iiwey N6 dashcam delivers impressive true 4-channel 360 degrees coverage, recording in Ultra FHD from the front, rear, and both sides simultaneously. With wide viewing angles and adjustable side cameras featuring infrared night vision, it effectively minimizes blind spots and captures clear details even at night. Vision-enhanced technology helps read license plates and lane markings, making it ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, and fleet vehicles. While it must remain connected to a power source and has no built-in battery, this design supports reliable performance. With the optional hardwire kit, you get up to 48-hour parking surveillance, including time-lapse recording and impact-triggered clips for added security. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast video previews and downloads through the app, and built-in GPS tracks speed and routes. Loop recording, a pre-included 128GB card, and G-sensor emergency lock provide peace of mind. Easy setup and 12-month support complete this dependable, feature-rich dashcam. Now our second product is Galphi Car Dashcam. The Galphi 4K dashcam delivers sharp, cinematic 2160p UHD video with a wide 160 degrees lens, ensuring clear and detailed footage of every drive. It's an excellent choice for families, new drivers, and rideshare operators who want reliable evidence for insurance claims and accident disputes. Its advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi significantly speeds up video downloads up to 8 MB per second, making playback and file transfers through the app smooth and efficient. The screen-free design minimizes distractions, helping you stay focused on the road while the camera records quietly in the background. Compact and easy to install, it won't obstruct your view and is beginner-friendly. Features like seamless loop recording and a G-sensor ensure critical footage is protected. With impressive night vision powered by an f/1.6 aperture in WDR, plus a pre-installed 64GB card, this dashcam offers performance, convenience, and peace of mind in one sleek package. Our third product is Terunsoul Car Dashcam. This triple-channel dashcam offers outstanding all-around protection with UHD 4K front recording plus 1080p rear and cabin coverage. With wide angles of 170 degrees in the front and 165 degrees for both rear and interior cameras, it captures near 360 degrees panoramic views, perfect for family trips, commercial drivers, and rideshare professionals. The 3.16-inch IPS screen makes reviewing footage clear and convenient. It comes pre-installed with a 128GB memory card and features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting old files when full. The built-in collision sensor locks and saves critical footage during impacts, ensuring key evidence is protected. High-precision GPS embeds speed, route, and location data directly into videos for reliable accident documentation. Dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast 20 MB per second downloads via the app, while Starlight Night Vision with f1.6 aperture in HDR ensures clear footage in low light. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive support, this dashcam delivers performance, reliability, and peace of mind. Now number 4, Vero Car Dashcam. The Vero 4K plus 2.5K dual dashcam delivers exceptional front and rear coverage, recording stunning 4K at the front and crisp 2.5K at the rear. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens and 165 degrees rear angle, it minimizes blind spots and captures every detail, perfect for cars, minivans, trucks, and buses. The 3.39-inch touchscreen makes setup and playback simple, while the built-in G-sensor automatically locks collision footage to protect critical evidence. Advanced night vision with an f1.8 aperture, 6-layer lens, and WDR technology ensures sharp, high-definition recording even in low light, keeping license plates and road details clearly visible. Loop recording with a free 64GB memory card ensures continuous recording, automatically overwriting old files to save space. With optional 24/7 parking mode and time-lapse recording, your vehicle is monitored even when parked. Hardwire kit sold separately. Easy installation and an 18-month warranty with responsive customer support make this dual dashcam reliable, user-friendly, and perfect for comprehensive road protection. And our last choice is Terunsoul Car Dashcam. The triple lens dashcam is a top-tier choice for full vehicle coverage, featuring 4K front recording and dual 1080p for inside and rear views. Its 3-lens setup ensures no detail is missed, making it ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and fleet vehicles. High-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows instant app access, letting you view live footage, download videos, and adjust settings directly from your smartphone. Advanced night vision with WDR technology keeps license plates and road signs clear in low-light conditions, providing reliable evidence around the clock. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens and loop recording support up to 256 GB, continuous recording is seamless. The G sensor activates automatically during collisions, locking critical footage, and 24/7 parking mode. Hardware kit sold separately protects your vehicle even when parked. The kit comes complete with a pre-installed 32 GB card and installation tools, making setup easy. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive support, this dash cam delivers convenience, security, and peace of mind for every drive. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.